grinders for about 10 years. Recently opened our new cafe, Magnolia. Love the brand, love the beans. I'm really excited just to meet the team, behind the scenes of grinders, tour of the roastery, learn some knowledge.
Looking forward to some of the cafe and coffee trends, and we might be watching some trends on infusions, so that's really got me intrigued.
So we are here to learn how to grow our business and also developing what we are doing. Definitely it would be really helpful for us to just step a little bit out and just expand the business as well.
I'm looking to see the whole operation. Apart from that, meeting the genuine people that are in the background that you don't get to see, just having an insight into how we get these coffee beans.
I use grinders since 1998, actually, before Open Beton. This alliance is important, the story is important. You know, we look after each other, and I think you guys are doing a great job, so thank you.